Let us try to derive a formula to find out the length of the arc when the angle which it subtends at the center of the circle is given. So this is the circle with center at O, AB. Arc is the curved part of the circle, and this arc makes an angle of theta at the center. Let the length of the arc be L, and we have to determine the formula for finding out the arc length. So we have to determine what is our L in terms of the angle theta which it forms at the center. Let the radius of the circle be R. So we see that the circumference of the circle will be 2 times pi times R. The length of the arc AB is equal to L. So we see that this ratio of circumference to the length of the arc will be proportional to the angle which the circle forms at the center to the angle which the arc is forming at the center. So the entire circle forms an angle of 360 degrees at the center. This entire angle is 360 degrees and the arc is forming an angle of theta at the center. Okay, let us rearrange a little. So if we cross multiply, we get theta times 2 pi r is equal to 360 degrees times L. We have to make L as the subject, so we divide both the sides by 360. And from here, we get L is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And this is the formula to find the length of an arc when the angle theta which it subtends at the center is given to us. R is the radius of the circle. And here theta is in degrees. The unit in which the angle is measured is in degrees. Okay, so it's very clear how do we find the length of an arc when the angle which it makes at the center is given. Let us try doing an example. We have to find the length of the arc which subtends an angle of 45 degrees at the center. Circumference, it's the length of the boundary of the circle. This is given as 12 pi. The center of the circle, we have an arc AB whose length is to be determined. So this is L which we have to find out, and the angle at the center is 45 degrees. So circumference is 2 pi r which is given as 12 pi. Okay, theta is given as 45 degrees, angle subtended by an arc at the center, and the formula which we have derived says that L is equal to theta divided by 360 times the circumference or 2 pi r. So theta is 45 divided by 360 times the circumference is given as 12 pi. So we'll do simplified and we get the length of the arc as 3 by 2 pi. Okay, so whenever the angle subtended by an arc is given, then we can find the length of the arc by using the formula theta over 360 times 2 pi r, and the important thing here is that this theta is measured in degrees. In our next video, we will do some problem solving, finding out the length of the arc and finding out the subtended angle when any one of these to us. Any doubts regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.